So here's an example. Here's a table of values for the equation y equals 3x plus 6. Here's the table. Now how we need to do is substitute into our values into this equation. So when x equals minus 3, we need to substitute minus 3 into this equation like the following. So you replace the x and put in minus 3, so 3 times minus 3 will give me minus 9. Add the 6 will give me minus 3. So my y value at this stage is minus 3. Now when x equals minus 2, we need to substitute minus 2 into this equation. So 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 will give me 0. So when x equals minus 2, my y value will be 0. And again, for minus 1, you substitute the value in. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3 plus 6 gives you positive 3. So when my x value is minus 1, my y value is 3, and so on for the rest of the examples. Okay, let's have a look at this first example. We need to plot the graph for the equation y equals 3x plus 6. From the previous lesson, we did table of values. It is a similar thing. So when x equals minus 3, 3 times minus 3 is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 6 will give me minus 3, and so on and so forth. So once you have done your table of values, you should get something like this. Okay, so what you need to do now is draw on your axis. You need to draw on your y-axis and your x-axis. Okay, the y-axis is the vertical line, the x-axis is your horizontal line. Number your axis. Be careful of the scale. So have a look at the increments. As this question, you can see that the x values are spaced by 2 increments and the y values are spaced from 5 increments, 1 increment each to give me 5. Plot your points on the graph. So when x equals minus 3 and y equals minus 3, you need to plot it like so, and when for the rest of the values you need to keep plotting until you get something like this. Once you have completed the plotting of the points on the graph, you need to draw a straight line through the points. This must be a straight line because we are working with a straight line graph. And the last thing that you need to do is label a line. How do you label it? By writing down the equation. What I would like to do now is find and complete the table of values for the equation y equals 4x minus 4. And on the grid, draw the graph of y equals 4x minus 4 for the values of x from minus 2 to 2. Please upload your answers to class charts.